CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.8 Identify Basic Networking Concepts. Router. Before we dive into what a router does, let's take a quick moment to revisit the concept of computer networking. You can think of a network as a digital highway system, connecting computers, printers, and other devices so they can share information and resources. And just like highways need intersections and traffic signs to keep vehicles moving in the right direction, networks rely on devices like switches and routers to manage the flow of data. A network router is a device that directs data packets between different computer networks. While a switch handles traffic within a single network, routers are responsible for moving data between networks. In most cases, that means controlling what comes into your local area network from the internet and what goes out. It's the router that decides where data should go next, ensuring everything reaches the right destination, even if that destination is halfway across the world. But how does a network router actually work? Well, when a device wants to send data to another device in a different network, it compiles a data packet. These data packets will contain a source address and a destination address. The data packet will then seek out the router. The router examines the packet's destination address, much like reading a street sign, and determines the most efficient path for the data to reach its intended destination. To sum up a router is a gateway, sitting at the edge of a network, controlling inbound and outbound connectivity to other networks. These could be other directly attached LANs, or maybe a WAN connection to the internet. And these routers make decisions based on addressing information found within each and every data packet. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.